Are you still letting your money sit in the bank, earning almost nothing? Because the truth is, banks are designed to keep your money safe, but not to grow it. And in today's economy, saving alone means your money is actually losing value. Most traditional savings accounts give you less than 1% interest per year, but inflation is rising much faster than that, meaning your hard-earned money is slowly losing its power. On the other hand, crypto investors are generating passive income every single day. But here's the problem. Mining requires expensive equipment, and staking usually feels too technical or risky for the average person. That's why most busy professionals, employees, or even entrepreneurs skip the opportunity altogether, because they think it's too complicated. This is where technology changes the game. Platforms like BotPayMe are built to simplify crypto staking and mining. Here's how it works. Instead of buying hardware, paying huge electricity bills, or learning complicated setups, you simply stake your USDT under Polygon network directly inside the platform. From there, the system automatically handles mining and generating rewards for you. That means you can participate in one of the most profitable areas of crypto without being a full-time trader or miner. It's secure, transparent, and designed for people who want their money to work for them while they stay focused on their careers, businesses, or families. Think about it this way. Wealthy investors don't just save money. They position their money in vehicles that multiply. And for the modern investor, crypto staking is one of the most efficient ways to do exactly that. With BotPayMe, you're leveraging advanced systems that maximize your returns, while removing the stress of figuring out mining or worrying about market volatility. In short, you don't have to be a tech expert. You just need the right platform and let it work in the background for you. So whether you're an investor looking for smarter ways to diversify, an entrepreneur who wants your money to generate income while you focus on your business, or a busy employee who simply wants to build passive income without learning crypto from scratch, BotPayMe makes it possible. Don't let your money sit idle. Make it work for you. Visit botpayme.com today and start your journey into effortless crypto mining and staking with USDT. The earlier you start, the sooner you earn.